Alrighty, so finding the center and radius of the circle when you're having this following equation, definitely going to be one of those completing the square opportunities. Notice my x and my y's have the same thing in front of them, that 4x, and we had a problem like this before. You won't have one like this on the final. I was just grabbing one similar to a problem on the final, and I realized I grabbed one with 4, but that's okay, we can still do this. Remember, the one of the ways we handled this was dividing by 4. So if I divide everything by 4, we have x squared plus y squared. 16 divided by 4 would be 4x. 24 divided by 4 would be 6y. And 51 divided by 4 is 12.75. Oops. Alright, and you remember one of the first steps was getting the constant to the other side and grouping our x's and y's together. So I'm going to kind of do that in the same step here. X squared minus 4x, that's my x's. My y's, I have y squared minus 6y. I'm going to leave my blank there. And I'm going to subtract 12.75 from both sides so that it is over on the right. Alright, now we need to do my completing the square. Remember, we take this middle term here, we divide by 2, so we get negative 2. That's what's going to be in my parentheses, and that's what's being squared is negative 2. And then I need to square that to find out what I'm adding to both sides. Negative 2 squared is a positive 4. So I need to add a positive 4. Over here with the y's, again we're going to take the middle term here, divide by 2. I'm going to get a negative 3. Then I'm going to square it. Negative 3 squared is a positive 9. So I'm also going to add 9 to this side. So I have a negative 12.75 plus 4 plus 9 gives me 0.25. That is my equation of my circle. I want to know the center and the radius. My center is going to be at a positive 2, positive 3. My radius is going to be the square root of 0.25. Because remember, this is radius squared. The square root of 0.25 is 0.5. So my radius is 0.5. My center is 2, 3.